Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that arises when working with the state monad in Haskell. Now, let's talk about the issue at hand. The concern lies in the way the state is managed within the monad, leading to confusion about which state is being used at each step. Now, let's dissect the solution provided. The key lies in the definition of the state monad, which outlines how the state transitions are handled. When we encounter state H equals F, the state transition occurs in a sequential fashion. The state is passed from one operation to another, ensuring that each operation modifies the state in a well-defined order. Building on this concept, let's explore the solution further. By following the sequence state op1 equals F, we ensure a smooth flow of state modifications. The initial state is transformed by op1, producing a new state which then becomes the input for the subsequent operation F. This chain of state transitions ensures that the final state reflects the cumulative changes applied by each operation. In summary, understanding the intricacies of how the state monad manages state transitions is crucial for ensuring the desired behavior in Haskell. I hope this sheds light on the problem and solution we discussed today. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Keep coding and stay curious.